Hi, everybody. Welcome, welcome. I'm going to let everyone jump on here for a second before I get started. I love it. I asked my daughter tonight, do you think I need to get ready? And she said, Mom, that's why Wildtree's so awesome. That's what it's all about. You can do Wildtree and still be a mom and not have to worry about that. You look like a mom. This is awesome. I was like, all right, fantastic. Welcome, welcome, everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us here tonight. You were invited here because someone thinks you are amazing. Hello, they want you on their dream team with Wildtree. They see you having like unique attributes that would make you a perfect fit at Wildtree, whether you're driven, motivated, fun, know tons of people, or just want more out of life. And we're so excited that you are here tonight. And I am thrilled that I get to be the one who gets to share with you tonight. So welcome. My name is Annie Alexander. I'm a director here at Wildtree. I have been with Wildtree for 8 years now, which is kind of crazy. I Wildtree because I love the fact that I do not have to choose between being a successful businesswoman and being present for my family. I get it all with Wildtree. So most women are really busy. You agree with that? Yeah. So Wildtree helps you spend time doing the things that matter most. So do you struggle with having enough time to do the things that have to be done, leaving little time for the things that you truly enjoy? Do you struggle with having enough income for your dream vacations, your college tuition, your kids, your savings, your retirement, or to just pay off some bills? Do you struggle with wanting more flexibility from that 8 to 5 job? Do you find yourself wanting to be part of something bigger than yourself? Or just plain wanting like more out of life, right? And this is huge. Like, have you stopped dreaming because you didn't think it was possible, right? Well, we are here to tell you that it is definitely possible. Wildtree can provide the income, the flexibility, the freedom, and the impact that you are looking for. And Wildtree, you can have it all. So for the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to take you through just how simple and effective our business model is, how it works for busy people, and I'm going to go through the perks of how we get paid. And I hope by the end of this video, you're going to be hooked and just ready to jump in. And you guys, I talk with my hands, so sorry if I am all over the place for you. But I get super excited about this. So what is Wildtree? Wildtree is a 21-year-old certified organic, all-natural food company that helps busy families plan meals to eat healthy, to meet allergen and dietary needs, whether that be keto or Whole30 or paleo. We're also peanut-free. We're certified gluten-free. We have kosher products. I mean, the list goes on and on. We are there to help. So we take it even a step further, okay? We provide you the grocery list and the recipes that our in-house dietitians and chefs create. So why Wildtree versus another home business, right? We have no competition. We are the only company that does what we do, and most Americans haven't even heard of Wildtree yet. And guess what else? Everybody eats. Everybody eats. We're not just some extra expense. We are a need. Groceries are part of every single person's monthly budget, and our products are consumable. We are a service-based company that's focused on helping other people with their mealtime dilemmas. So you don't even have to sell Wildtree. Wildtree speaks for itself. The food industry is a $3 billion industry that is growing by the day, and organic food demands are growing and growing. And you guys, the need to feed our children and adults clean, more natural choices is just coming to fruition, and Wildtree fits the bill. So our projected sales growth over the next 5 years is more than triple of where we are today. It's crazy. We are the only industry that gives you the freedom to work when you want, from where you want, around your family's schedule, and earn what you are worth. And you guys, I can speak into this because I literally last night got back from a 3-week vacation in Colorado with my family. So I was able to work when I wanted around my family's schedule, and it is amazing. So you work Wildtree as a business when it fits best into your life. So what does that look like? We can do in-home workshops and tastings. We do sharing on social media. We do one-on-one meal planning consultations. And we use our free, if you heard that right, Wildtree Meals app, which is amazing. We have a complete meal solutions line with thousands of recipes at your fingertips on our app. We have make-ahead meal kits, and those are for our busy families that really want the most time and money savings. We have our make fresh dinners in a dash, and those are for meal plans for families that like to cook or like meals made from fresh, but they want easy and fast. And then lastly, we have our wellness line with our #1 product being the nutritional shake, and it is the best on the market. It's amazing. So we have multiple streams of income, including the residual income from the app. So let's talk a little bit about income and perks of the business. So we get paid up to 40% on your personal monthly sales. It's amazing. We also get paid bonuses based on performance and training bonuses for sharing the opportunity with others. So we have reps at Wildtree that earn $500 a month to pay for groceries, student loans, dance lessons, and then we also have reps who, have a 6-figure annual income. So it's the whole gamut. What do you want? And that's what we can do for you. So how would $500 or $2,000 or even $5,000, or what about $50,000 a month? What would that do for your family, you guys? It's mind-blowing. So we have a Get Cooking incentive where you can earn Wildtree swag freebies, and you can also end up getting your business kit for free when you hit these goals in the first 120 days of your business. So plenty of time. You also get a free shipping voucher when you start, and you can use that in your first 30 days. And that means you get 35% off your first order to stock your pantry and your freezer with Wildtree. Okay, amazing. Each month, we also earn Business Bucks. Okay, the company gives you Business Bucks. It's like free cash. You never have to buy supplies or catalogs. You get all of your samples, all of your catalogs, all of your supplies for free. It is amazing. So you get to keep all of your commissions rather than spending it on those business supplies, okay? Huge, huge, huge. Another thing that Wildtree does for you is they fund our entire hostess program. The entire hostess program. So the freebies that our hostesses get, which is a ton, comes from Wildtree and not out of your pocket, all right? We want as much money staying in your pocket as possible, okay? Each year, we also have the opportunity to earn a free trip to an exotic location, and it's entirely paid for by Wildtree. It's amazing. Like once you go, you never miss it again. You can earn the trip for 1, 2, or 4 people completely free. Like seriously, you don't need to have any cash in your pocket, okay? The trips are amazing. A couple of the ones we've been on: Dominican Republic, Jamaica, Costa Rica, and Panama. And then this year we're headed to Cartagena, Colombia. So we cannot wait for that. And there's still plenty of time to earn that trip, plenty of time. So jump in now so you can be in Cartagena with us. So Wildtree reps also love to volunteer and give back to our local communities while we make a global impact. And you guys, I've been involved with this for a long time, but Wildtree actually, pays for us to do a volunteer project each year. So last year, we made over 33,000 meals to feed children and families in the Philippines. And talk about making a difference. The impact we made was huge. And then a couple weeks ago at STIR, our national conference, over 100 of us went and volunteered at an orphanage in Denver and gave back to that community. And I think the impact might have been more on us. It was so amazing. We just, they were so thankful that we were there. We cleaned up all the grounds and then just served the children. And it just really, it's an impact. And, you come together with all of your friends and Wildtree sisters. So it's awesome. So when you join Wildtree, we will discuss with you specifically what your income options are and help you set a goal that works for you. Okay. We have an amazing, amazing training system for busy people. So if you're busy, we got you covered. And it consists of videos and then also one-on-one training. Your mentor is going to help you set these goals and just crush them, because that's what we do at Wildtree. So let's talk about the investment. Like, what's it really take to get started with Wildtree? Okay, it's a one-time cost of $129 plus shipping, and that buys you a full business, okay? You're going to be profiting as soon as you do your first party. Where else can you do that? $129 plus shipping, it's crazy. So you have nothing to lose, and everything to gain. So we also have an e-suite package, and it includes our customer app, okay, which means residual income for you because our customers continue to order off that. It also includes, the e-suite includes our back office, your website that your customers can order from, all credit card fees are covered by our e-suite, all marketing tools, our monthly newsletter. I'm trying to think of what I'm missing, but you get the gist of it, right? I mean, it covers everything, and it's only $14.95 a month. That's it. So it's fantastic. And it's also free your first 30 days, okay? Another huge thing at Wildtree, we absolutely do not require any inventory to be held by you, and we also do not suggest it. So all orders are shipped direct to our customers. So we do not want you spending time delivering to all your customers around where you live, okay? Everything's direct shipped. So I want to share with you guys a little bit, just 3 stories of successful Wildtree reps. And as I'm sharing with you guys, I really want you to think about how Wildtree could be a fit into your life, like it has been for these 3 ladies. Okay, so the first one, she is a stay-at-home mom. Her husband's a pilot, so obviously he's traveling very frequently. And although she didn't need an extra stream of income, Wildtree filled a different need in her life. The need to find like her own identity outside of being a mom and a wife. She wanted to make a difference in other people's lives. And she realized one evening she was helping her girls with their homework and snacks, and her pre-prepped healthy Wildtree meal was cooking in the kitchen while she was enjoying this stress-free, just quality time with her girls. And she realized she could help others do the exact same thing. So now she leads a sales team, and she just got back from her first incentive trip to Panama. I mean, amazing. The second story I want to share, this is a full-time school teacher, and she has a family member that has celiac, okay? And the fact that Wildtree was certified gluten-free was what initially drew her to the opportunity. But when she realized how much fun it was to share Wildtree, she just ran with it. So she works her business around her teaching schedule and her 2 sons' activities. She uses her Wildtree income to fund all their family trips and all their school activities. Okay, the third example I want to give you of a successful Wildtree rep is an OBGYN doctor. And she works full-time with 2 young kiddos at home. And she knew immediately that the ability to have those quick, healthy meals is a desperate need by all medical professionals. But what she has found is not only do they need the meals, but many of them are very, very burnt out on their jobs, even right out of med school. They are the first to drop their kids off at daycare, and they are the last to pick them up. And they are exhausted, and they're missing out on what matters most with their family. So she is working her Wildtree business as a means to replace her income as a doctor so she can be home with her kids. And I can't wait to see her crush that goal. So at Wildtree, you are compensated for making a difference in people's lives. It is pretty amazing. So if you are ready to get signed up, just go to the website of the person who invited you to this event and click join. It is truly that simple. If you're intrigued with what we have to offer but need just a little bit more information or have some questions, then be watching. I'm going to post like 5 posts right when I'm done with this live video. And reach out to the person who invited you to this group and set up a time to chat with them. Ask them questions. They are thrilled to talk to you and really help determine if Wildtree is the right fit for you. Okay? So here's the $1 million question. What if you take the plunge with Wildtree? Think about what your life could look like 5 years from now if you invest in yourself and are able to live the life you truly desire. Think about that. But what if you don't? What if you keep doing exactly what you're doing now, change nothing, and don't take the opportunity to have more of what matters most to you? What will your life look like in 5 years? So we have a pretty amazing opportunity here at Wildtree, and the choice to join is yours. We hope that Wildtree can be a blessing in your life like it has been in ours, and just thank you guys for taking the time to learn more about Wildtree. We know your time is precious, and we really appreciate you being here tonight or listening on playback. Have a wonderful night, you guys. Bye.